is Battery Park City. Every morning you get to wake up, you can go for a run, you can take your pets out, anything you want to do. It's absolutely beautiful here. You have fabulous views of Lady Liberty. I have to say, she looks dynamite in this golden hour tonight. And if you are coming here from anywhere out of the city and you're looking for something that is the city but not this city, Battery Park City is fantastic because you're still in Manhattan, you're still in the middle of it all, a little bit west. So that you have the community, you have the neighborhood spots, your laundromat, your grocery store, etc. Well, hello. Welcome to 6B at the Visionaire. This unit is a fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Of course, you have this bathroom, but that's right after your entry closet. They're all built out California closets, which is wonderful. And this line is in that sale, which we'll get to a little bit later in the tour. You have your second bedroom. What I love about this is over in Battery Park City, sometimes you can get closed in, but you actually have these amazing views. And right now, of course, the trees are a little bit bare, but when the spring and the summer come about, you are just looking over all of the blossoming trees. You watch the trees change shades of colors. It is stunningly gorgeous. 11-foot ceilings. How can you compare to that? We have washer dryer, but it's like a whole laundry room. Now this is very rare for New York City, so when people see it, they tend to fall in love with it. So speaking of 11-foot ceilings, just so you know, they are only on the bottom floors. The way that the building was built, the lower floors have higher ceilings. I think it's just up into 11, and then the ceilings get shorter as the building goes up. Speaking of open, because of course the high ceilings open everything up, this gorgeous open kitchen, it's fantastic. You have space for stools, you can entertain here, you can have fun here. Everything is built in, right? You have your built-in fridge, everything. It's really nice. And I have to say the homeowners take such great care of this place. This is one of my favorite parts. So the unit was actually designed by Lo Chen, and if you ever walk into the building, you'll notice that they had this custom made, and it is a replication of the chandelier when you enter into the building. Now personally, if I were to purchase this fabulous unit, which you can do, this would be my hiding spot. Ugh. I mean, look at that view. You are just staring straight over treetops to One World Trade. And by the way, this unit is actually coming furnished. We don't see that too often in New York City, but it definitely does happen. And it's fabulous because they have a fireplace and this fancy schmancy mirror that I use to put on my makeup or whatever else. It's actually the TV. So they definitely did all high-end things here, including your electronic shades. Well, let's check out the master area. You do have 2 closets in here, which, you know, it's New York, 2 closets is the way to go. And this fabulous layout, I love what they did. You could obviously fit a king-size bed here. It's so quiet. You are looking over the street, but it is so quiet. And again, these high ceilings and these bigger windows on this floor, it just opens it up so much. It wouldn't be complete without an ensuite bathroom. So we have our tub, shower, sink, toilet. It's fabulous. So one of the things with Battery Park City is this is on the newer side of the buildings, which is why you get all these fabulous pieces in here. I know we went over a lot, but it's definitely something good to see if you're interested in the space. It's just about 1311 square feet, and your monthlies for Battery Park City are actually on the lower side. You're gonna be under $4,000 for the 2 of them together. Amenities in this building are amazing. It is 33 stories, but on the 7th and 8th floor, you have the amenity floors, besides the beautiful roof deck that's on the 12th floor. But you have a saltwater pool, steam room, sauna. You have a resident lounge on the 7th floor. It also has some outdoor space. They call it the quiet outdoor space here. But not many places have saltwater pools, so it tends to be a really big thing for people. But let's go check it out. After you. Treadwell is down here. It's on the corner of Southern Avenue and Albany. It's a super cute spot. By the way, for the winter, they actually have a hot cocoa bar. Their menu is to die for: short rib raviolis. I mean, come on guys, you have to come down to the Treadwell. But first, we should see how their Manhattan is. She's not too bad. I think it's worth it. Come on down to Treadwell and check it out.